Hello everyone, welcome to today's yet another English grammar lesson. We have already said a few tenses and we have almost completed the discussion on present tense. Now we are going ahead with past tense and we started with simple past a few days back. And now in this video we will delve into the fascinating world of past continuous tense. I hope by the end of this lesson you will have a clear understanding of when and how to use this tense correctly, and you will be able to confidently express ongoing actions in the past. So let's get started. First of all, the past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were going on in progress at a specific point of time in the past. It is also known as past progressive tense, as we also talk about present continuous tense as present progressive tense. First, I would like to tell you the structure of this tense. The structure of this tense is subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. You might be confused where to use was and were. But as we have already learned that in the present tense we come up with am, are, is. Similarly, here in past tense as well we have two forms. If the subject is singular, especially third person singular and the first person singular, we come up with was, and other persons like we or you or they, we use were. For example, she was dancing at the party. They were studying for their exams. He was cooking dinner when the phone rang. Now, the most important part of learning a tense is learning its usage. So as I have already told you, the first use of this tense is to express an action that was going on in the past. For example, at 5 p.m. yesterday, I was watching a movie. And these actions may have been interrupted by another event or may have continued for some time. Now, secondly, it is also used to express an action that is, there are two actions going on in the past. Maybe these two actions might be happening simultaneously in the past. And we can use one of the tenses in one of the actions in the past continuous tense. For example, while he was studying, she was playing the piano. So there are two actions. While he was studying, she was playing the piano. Or you can also use simple past and past continuous together. For example, when I visited him, he was reading a book. So visited him is the second action, and he was reading a book was the action that was going on, first action. The second action which is happening should be expressed in simple past, and the first action which had been already going on must be expressed in past continuous tense. Another important use of this tense is to express a polite inquiry. Polite inquiry. The past continuous can also be used to make polite inquiries or to ask for information about someone's actions in the past. For example, I was wondering if you were coming to the party last night. Now, there is a subtle difference between simple past and past continuous, and many people confuse it. For example, the past continuous is used to describe ongoing action in the past, while the simple past is used for completed actions at a specific time in the past. For example, she was reading a book. That is past continuous. She read a book. Simple past. Okay? And there are a few words from which you can identify whether this sentence is past continuous or not. For example, if you find while or when or at or as or all day or all night or all morning, then definitely it is a sentence in past continuous tense. Now let us make two more varieties of the sentence, like we can make negatives and also questions or interrogatives from these past continuous tense. Creating negative and interrogative sentences in the past continuous is straightforward. It is not very complicated. We use a negative form by adding not after was or were. For example, she was not studying for the test. Then questions. Were they watching the football match? Okay, now I hope the use of this continuous past continuous tense is clear to you, and I hope you would do it. You would use it extensively in your speaking and in your writing, and in your whenever you read a piece of writing. I hope that you would get to know the structure more and try to imbibe it and start using it very often in your conversations. Congratulations, you have now mastered the past continuous tense, and you can confidently use this tense to describe ongoing actions in the past and make your English communication more precise and engaging. Keep practicing and incorporating the past continuous into your conversation, and soon it will become a natural part of your language. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next session. Next time I will come up with yet another video, and if you have any queries and if you need further explanation, comment right below this comment box, and thank you very much. Never forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.